Hey, doing this video because I have a, what is this? Electrolux, versatility. You know, it looks like this. Basically I'm doing this because, actually you don't even need to take this piece off right here. Because yeah, I'm taking this apart because the motor doesn't spin the brush. That motor in there doesn't want to spin. You don't want to takes the belt. Yeah, and then the basically you take it apart. You know, you got the brush in there. You got this right here. Basically, you need a Phillips, one with like a long shaft or whatever. And you take out the screws, right? Take this out. And this guy you just pull out. Well, you know, you stretch it a little bit and then you undo this. Pull the belt out, right? Then there's gonna be 1, 2, there's this one right here, 3 more screws. Then what was tough, it really got me, was this, to take this piece off, because I knew this piece had to come off, right? You know, you got your little reset breaker thing, but I knew that piece had to come off. So basically just fiddling around with it and stuff, there's a couple, you know, those little clips. You got one right here, right? And you got one right here, right? And then you go to the back, right? And you pop. Same to the other side. Right there. Pop. And then bam. This whole piece comes off. Okay. Now you got access to your whole shebang. There you go. For this vacuum. Electrolux versatility.